wash the orange and peel it, then you can put it on a paper towel, sheet of paper towel like this. So the drying process is complete, and I'm gonna start making the tea. Trying to do things with one hand here, hold on. So if you notice, it's very brittle. You can snap it. Alright. You can snap it like this. All you do, you just put it in a brown paper bag to store in your dry cupboard. And it will keep for 6 months to a year. And you can repeat the process. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make the tea now. Now I'm going to bring to boil 1.5 cups of water. It's a standard cup. So that's 1.5 cups of a standard cup. It's right there. I'm gonna bring that to boil, and then I'll come back and show you and add the peels. So the water has been brought to a roaring boil. 1.5 cups, a standard cup, and you just add the peel. Just like that. And then you're gonna cover it and let it boil for a minute or two. You can make it boil a little bit longer if you so desire. So I'm going to remove the cover and pour it into my cup. You can use a strainer to strain it off. Some people don't mind to have the peel. And you just pour it. I already have my sugar to taste, about 2.5 teaspoons. I'm going to just pour it. And if a peel or two gets in there, it's no problem. You can put the peel in there. And there you go. You have your orange tea. Notice how the color changed, the water to yellow. Yes, that's how you make your orange tea. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Of course, I've used brown sugar, because brown sugar is the best sugar for you to have. It's more natural. You can use your granulated sugar, or you can also use honey. Yes, you can also use honey. So there you have it, your orange tea.